Today we're looking at an actual vintage fountain pen, a Penman level filler likely from the 40s. It's made of resin, not celluloid. I got this on eBay for several dollars before shipping. It needed a sack replacement, so I went ahead and did it myself. I'll link to Graham Mear's pen guide to replacing sacks in the video description. If you like vintage fountain pens, please check out Steph's work. He does great restorations. What could I find out about Penman? Very little apart from this post on Fountain Pen Network. Some measurements, a rather light pen, slim profile. For our size comparison, we have a Moonman M8 in golden foil. Here we have the two uncapped. Some details, Penman inscribed on the clip. A rather wide flat band. A lever for the filling mechanism. If you're not familiar with these, you put it in ink and lift the lever and release it. Close up, the nib looks rather plain, no markings. A few more twirls and we'll have a writing sample. Was it worth the trouble of a basic functional restoration? Well, that's always subjective. But if you like a pen, then you like a pen, and if you don't, you don't. This one writes fine and hopefully will be in good condition for time to come. That's all for this one. See you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.